Hi, my name is Jayme and I'm a senior here at ASU. This is Centennial Village, one of the largest residence halls on campus. Let me show you what life would be like if you call Centennial your home. Centennial Village is conveniently located near the Houston Hart University Center, and it's also one of the 2 Ram Tram stops on campus, which conveniently allows access to the community on the weekends. There are 2 floor plans available, a 2-bedroom and a 4-bedroom. Each floor plan offers a private room and a shared living space. Each private room has a bed, dresser, closet, desk, and chair. The 2-bedroom plan also offers a microwave and mini fridge in your room. In addition to your shared living space, there is a semi-private bathroom and vanity area that you only share with your roommate. The 4-bedroom plan's living space is a little larger, including a snack area with cabinets and 4 mini fridges. There are 2 bathrooms and vanity areas, shared exclusively with your suite mates. Even though there's a living room in each unit, there are plenty of shared spaces throughout Centennial that are great places to hang out with your friends. Study rooms, like this, are located throughout the residence halls and are available 24/7. There are also laundry facilities located in the Seibel Commons. They are free to use for all residents. Speaking of the Siebel Commons, this is our main hangout spot here at Centennial. Catch a game on the TV with your friends, visit with one another at the lounge areas, or play a game of foosball or pool. Here at Angelo State, you're part of the Ram family, and we want to provide you the opportunities to have that community. One way we do that is through our Living Learning communities, and Centennial Village is home to our Leadership Living Learning community. This program is a great way for you to get connected to people who are also interested in leadership. Oh, and I can't forget the great outdoor spaces here at Centennial. There are courtyards for you to enjoy the sun and hang out with friends. We even have a sand volleyball court. So let's say you want to call Centennial Village your home. The next step you're going to take is to apply for housing. This is where you tell us your hall preference and who you would like to room with. This is also where you would tell us if you want to join a Living Learning community. Applications open October 1st for the following academic year, so be on the lookout for that. And make sure you apply early because room assignments are made in order of application date. Centennial Village has so much to offer that we don't have enough time in this video to cover. So visit angelo.edu/liveoncampus for more information or schedule a visit to see it yourself. Thanks for watching the video. Drop a like down below and hit that subscribe button to watch future videos. And always, go Rams!